Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought it would be really fun if Erin did my hair 5 different hairstyles. So I don't think that you've ever done my hair before, right? Have you done my hair before?
Once.
I probably don't remember then, but I just thought that this would be a fun video just to see how Erin would do like with these simple hairstyles that I have in my phone. So with that said, we are going to get started.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Practicing for our future daughter. 9 months away.
So we are currently in my brother's old room just because here it has a lot of natural lighting. So this is just a perfect spot for Erin to do my hair, right?
It is.
Okay, you ready?
Let's do it.
Okay. Oh, I didn't even show you. Okay, so
First hairstyle is straight down. I think I did pretty good.
So we have 3 items that Erin will be using. So one of them is a brush. Another one is a hair scarf. So you have to use this hair scarf for all of the hairstyles that I'm going to give you. Okay?
Okay.
And Erin has no idea what it is that he's going to be doing on my hair. Okay, and then 3 rubber bands. I almost said chongos. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
So
Danielle is becoming a silver fox. I don't know if you can see that.
okay, so you're gonna do the famous hair bun that I do with my hair. You know that famous hair bun that I used to do when I was in gymnastics?
No. Show me a picture.
No? Okay, remember like it had that little loop like a croissant? Do you remember?
So the thing you still do.
Yeah, the thing that I still do. Okay.
We'll give it an honest effort. And I need a chongo. Oh my gosh, your hair is so soft. Wrap it.
Yes.
I told Danielle she's not allowed to get mad at me when I pull her hair. It's her fault.
No.
No.
That's not true.
Wrap it up.
Okay. You're doing good. Yeah, just do whatever you want. Freestyle it. Hey! Okay. Good job.
Then apparently I have to use this for every single one.
Yep. That was the rules. You break the rule, you lose the game.
What happens when I win?
You get a kiss.
Okay. What happens if you win?
Then I get a kiss.
That's one hairstyle.
Yeah,
Just
good
don't
job.
touch it.
Actually, it's pretty good. It's kind of falling though.
Yeah.
I think you need to make it a little bit tight. So this is what it looks like. Good job.
It's like a side croissant.
Look, it's kind of falling.
Oh.
Camel, what do you think?
A solid yes from Camel.
Next one is just a normal ponytail because I like wearing my hair up all the time, like I said before, and I like to wrap a hair scarf around my ponytail. So this is what I'm going for now. So there it is.
All right, ponytail.
Yes. So you know how I always have like little hairs sticking out, Erin, like kind of like little bumps?
Yep.
To kind of make it look like a messy ponytail. That's what I want. So if you could attempt that, I'll be really impressed.
I'm sorry I'm not talking much, guys, because when I'm doing something, I get really concentrated.
Yeah.
I just really
You're on focus
quiet
mode.
it out. Straight
Yeah.
focus mode.
Good. So is I think
I'm
it
not
needs,
done yet. I'm not
okay.
done yet.
How is it coming? Aw, you're so cute.
There it is.
You're pulling all my baby hairs out. You want to do this side too? So I told him I wanted these little bumps to kind of make my ponytail a little bit more messy, I guess, but in a cute way. So you attempted that. Very good job. And then you put a hair scarf.
Okay.
The next one.
We're gonna rate that a 9 out of 10.
Mm-hmm. So this is what Aaron will be doing next on my hair. Sorry for the glare on my phone. So Aaron, when was the last time you did my hair? Because I don't remember.
I think we were dating and hiking somewhere. I put very bad braids in your hair.
Did you? When we were dating?
I think so.
Alright.
There's camel ones back in.
I know. So if you guys don't know, Aaron and I have a joint YouTube channel. So we posted a video up on our channel recently of not mine, but Aaron's homecoming. So if you guys haven't watched that, I will put a link down below. The first time that I watched it, I was crying.
First time.
Oh my gosh.
She's watched it at least 1,000 times.
I've watched it so much. Let's see. Olive? What? Oh, me?
Yeah, Olive from Popeye.
I thought you were saying you look like Olive from Popeye.
You're going to. Look, that's her.
No, I thought you said you look like Olive from Popeye.
Cartoon.
Yeah, no, the real life. Okay, are you done?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, it's a pretty sloppy bun.
No, I'm sure it looks cute.
Mm,
I can feel it. It looks like it's hanging.
All right,
just
look
right.
at yourself.
It's cute. I like it. I mean, this could have
She's
been
just being
tightened a
nice.
little bit more. No, this could have been tightened a little bit more, but other than that, it's really cute. And I think you did a really good job putting the hair scarf in. And look at the front of my hair. These loose hairs, yeah, that's cute.
That's what I do.
Okay, this next one is also another hairstyle that I love to do a lot on my hair. And it is this one. A hair scarf wrapped around straight hair. Aaron! Okay, it's falling off though. No, I was gonna say that looked really cute, but it was falling off. This is so cute! I love it. Just want to end the video here and just keep my hair like this because it looks so good.
Yeah.
So this is what my hair looks like. Aaron just made it super. I really like this.
Thank you.
I just want to give you a kiss already.
Very nice.
Cute, cute.
Okay, cute. All right, hairstyle number 4.
Okay, so the next one that he's going to do is just a simple braid. So this is what it looks like.
This is by far.
Since you did that one hair scarf wrap on my hair,
Yeah.
do you want to be my hairstylist? No, why?
It's working. I think the biggest client I did was Johnny Depp.
Oh yeah? You did his beard and everything?
No, I don't do beards. Gross.
Hi, Gamble. You want to say hi to everybody? Come here.
This hair.
Say hi to the camera.
Here, here. There we go. Now I'm getting there.
You're such a cutie. You're such a cutie. You're such a cutie. His head. Look at his head. Panalakata, panalakata. Hi. There the camera is. Say hi. Go say hi to the viewers. How's it coming?
It's coming.
It's coming down mountain when she comes. Alright, here you go. I feel that you're ready to use a hair scarf. Okay.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Okay. So Aaron, when have I gone into hair scarves and hair bands and all that stuff?
I couldn't tell you. You just kind of started doing that.
I've been doing it.
All right, there you go.
He left one long strand of hair out.
It's in there. It's in the picture. Got all that hair coming out.
You know what? It'd be nice just looking at the picture, it would be nice to have side bangs. So this is what my hair looks like. That's really cute, Aaron.
Extra loose.
And I have long hair, so a braid like this definitely works out. Aaron just left this long strand of hair and braided the rest of it. Good job.
Thank you. So there's the braid itself. Kind of hard to see. Not the best one. Braiding is not my strong suit. It took me about 3 minutes to remember how to braid and get all the separate hair.
It's okay, mister, you tried. Okay, Aaron, I think this might be your hardest one.
Easy.
This is the next hairstyle that Aaron is going to do. He actually thinks this is pretty easy, so let's see.
I'm like over here focused on his hair. Let's try to send it. Alright.
Aaron, what's the funniest thing that's ever happened to you?
Funniest thing that's ever happened to me?
Mm-hmm.
When I was a kid, we had a pool in the front of our old house, and it had like one of those ledges, like inside the pool, where you could like walk on. And then it went from there, it went to like probably 3 feet deep. And I dived from there, into that spot.
Dived from where to where?
Dived from like the little ledge.
Mm-hmm.
And then I scraped my whole top lip.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
You
on the
didn't share
bottom
that
of the
with
ground.
me?
On the bottom of the ground, and then I, for like a month, I had like a big cut just on my top lip of where it was like cut.
Really?
That was pretty funny, yeah.
Pretty funny? How is that funny? It doesn't sound funny, it sounds like it hurt.
It did, but after I laughed about it, because I looked pretty weird for a while. Where would the hairband go on this one?
Right here. Aaron, you did such a good job. I can feel it.
It's not that good. But it's not horrible.
What are you doing?
Makes no sense.
No, you could do it here, Aaron.
No.
Right here. That's where you do it.
Wouldn't look good. Trust
Okay.
the master. There you go. Alrighty. Something's
I don't
funny.
need to put it here.
So, here we go. Turn your head this way. Or stand up, actually. Makes it easier.
I like that you're all serious and I'm over here just trying to keep it calm.
Alright.
Laughing at your hard work.
So, it's kind of hard to see, but I think I did decent. Side's a little
Honestly,
messy.
I'm gonna give this the lowest score. Then
Why? Because I put the band where you didn't want it. Go look. Go look. We'll see.
it's interesting. It's not even how the picture looks, Aaron.
Yeah, it is.
I feel like you did a really good job here.
Yeah, she doesn't have a band on either, so
Right here. Can you see it?
I don't know. I think you're looking at the wrong. You need to look at the back. This is what matters.
Yeah, no, it looks really good. I feel like you did a really good job, but no.
That looks like the picture now.
Oh,
think-
look, if you would have tied it here,
No, it would look weird.
but that's okay because things happen. Good job.
Thank you.
This looks really good, but just not the hair scarf. Sorry.
That's alright. Hair scarf was a lose, but the hair itself was a win.
That was all of them. I believe that was
Look
5.
at
If it wasn't 5, it was 6 hairstyles. So good job, Aaron. Huh?
You was 5.
It was 5.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you a kiss for hard work and effort. You did really good. I love you.
2 thumbs up. This was all done in one take. So
Yeah.
I didn't
actually.
like do one hairstyle like, oh no, I don't like it. These are all first attempt hairstyles. So
And you know what? He didn't even know what hairstyles I was gonna give him. So he did a really good job pulling
they're
that
all
off.
from the picture. Oh, I just made it like a million times better.
Did you?
Look at that, guys. Way
I can't
better.
see it. I wish I could see it.
Little cutie.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And I thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys later.